This is Brew, the world's first automated tea machine developed to make brewing tea in your home or office faster, easier, and more consistent. At the twist of a dial and push of a button, you can make the perfect cup of tea every time. With Brew, you're not limited to expensive capsules or pods. With our included stainless steel spoon and sieve, you can use any tea bags, loose leaf, or any other type of tea you like. Exploring new flavors has never been easier. Here's how it works. Fill the 2-liter tank on the back, use the spoon or sieve to place the tea of your choice inside, and close the lid. Place your cup on the removable drip tray, and then use the dial on the front to customize the brewing time, temperature, and water quantity to your preference. Press start and continue with your day while Brew does the rest for you. No mess, no fuss. Built-in safety sensors prevent accidental spillages, and our dishwasher-safe glass brewing chamber is perfectly shaped to make sure you get every last drop, minimizing waste. For those that want effortless self-cleaning, the Brew Plus model features our unique ring outlet that not only fills the brewing chamber evenly, but also fully rinses it after each cycle to keep it clean and fresh for next time. For those times when one cup isn't enough, Brew features an infinity pour mode that'll dispense water at the temperature of your choosing until you tell it to stop or the tank empties. We're waging war on the home kettle and want to help cut down on the millions of liters of wasted water each year from boiling of overfilled kettles. Every part of Brew has been specifically developed to make the tea brewing process fast, easy, and efficient, so you can enjoy the perfect cup of tea at the push of a button. Disposing of used tea is clean and simple. All removable parts like the catch tray and brewing chamber are dishwasher safe, so maintaining your machine couldn't be easier. We've been working with expert industrial designers to take Brew from an early concept right through to being ready for manufacturing. We've tested and drank hundreds of cups of tea and cannot wait to get Brew into the kitchens of fellow tea drinkers all around the world.
Here at FlushBrush, we think the typical toilet brush is in dire need of an upgrade. They really are the most disgusting thing we keep in our homes. Easily accessible to pets and children, they harbour germs and bacteria, and even splash toilet juices on the floor of your bathroom. This really needs to change, and we have the solution. Introducing the FlushBrush. Featuring a fine-textured silicone head, perfect for precision cleaning. The FlushBrush is unique because the head lives within the toilet, meaning it's kept clean and fresh with every flush, preventing the build-up of toilet juices and unpleasant bacteria in your bathroom. When you need to use it, grab the handle from the included floor stand or optional wall bracket. Push to attach the head in the cradle, clean the toilet, and replace the head in the cradle when finished, using the release trigger on the handle to release. The head floats, so is easily recoverable if dropped into the bowl, thanks to a magnet on the side of the handle. To ensure the FlushBrush system works with every toilet everywhere, the cradle features a flexible aluminium bracket that you can adjust to fit your toilet to get optimal water coverage of the cleaning head.
I'm Tom, creator and founder of FlushBrush. I believe that the toilet brush is one of the most dangerous, dirty, and outdated items in the home, so I invented an alternative. Together with a small design and engineering team in the south of the UK, FlushBrush has been meticulously designed and tested over the last 2 years and is now ready for launch. But we need your help to get the project funded. Every one of us has at least one toilet, and we can all benefit from a safer, cleaner, and more modern solution for cleaning the toilet. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much for your support.
This is your smart home, powered by fast internet and smart devices. You're protected by smart cameras, smart alarms, smart door locks, and of course, your dog Sparky. Your family is always connected to the internet. Everything is so convenient and perfect. Or isn't? Can you see what your smart devices are doing? Look, who is that sitting next to you? Where are the walls, the door, the security system, and the dog? Are you worried? Do you need help? We sure can help. In 2017, we introduced the Firewalla Red, making cybersecurity simple and affordable. The red gives you insight into your devices, the power to manage kids' internet access, protection from the bad things on the internet, and a bonus VPN server for the road. In 2018, we released the Firewalla Blue, operating at 500 megabits, making cybersecurity even more powerful. We added safe browsing for kids, a VPN client for business use, and geo-blocking to block any country off your network. And now, we're introducing Firewalla Gold. Running the same software as the red and blue, it can process packets at 3 gigabit per second, and it's 6 times more powerful than Firewalla Blue and 30 times faster than the red. Firewalla Gold has 3 additional fully routable gigabit interfaces. This enables you to create private networks with different policies and isolate devices into network segments for better protection. You can now create VPN networks to teleport your devices to a remote location or run site-to-site VPN between offices, where your business can also be segmented to isolate employees, guests, and critical devices. And one last thing. Firewalla Gold is a powerful and extensible software-based router that will now be able to perform even better in the future. Now you can connect Firewalla Gold to your router, or put it in between your modem and the router, or simply replace your existing router. Let Firewalla Gold protect your family and your business. Let it close the window, lock the door, and be the alarm system for your digital world.
What are you reinventing? The window AC? Who are you?
Meet the first U-shaped AC. Well, not that Windows, but these windows.